The global connector market is developing rapidly, and by 2025, the market size will reach $90 billion US. It is expected to approach $100 billion US in 2026 and may surpass that by 2030, $118 billion US. What is driving changes in the industry is the explosive growth of AI and smart devices. The upgrade towards intelligence and the acceleration of global informatization have also given rise to many innovative and smaller enterprises. Now customer demands are becoming increasingly diverse, and customers hope that they want high connection performance, small size, fast speed, the ability to carry large currents, and high reliability, while also meeting the requirements for small batch, multi-batch, rapid delivery, and customization. Relying on its platform-based positioning and full scenario solution capabilities, LINKO has a clear competitive advantage in the market and also possesses long-term growth potential. Now, competition in the global connector industry is becoming increasingly fierce. I believe that the long-term value of a company is not just about short-term market performance. More importantly, it is about whether it can continuously provide stable, reliable, and efficient connection solutions for global customers and establish long-term trust within the global industrial chain. What LINKO is building is an integrated system. On one hand, we deeply understand the needs of global customers. On the other hand, through localized services and globally coordinated R&D, we can quickly respond to changes in different markets. Our goal is to build a global platform for connection solutions, no matter where. No matter which country or industry our customers are in, they can more conveniently and quickly obtain LINKO's highly reliable products and solutions. Simply put, LINKO's long-term value is based on reliable connections and achieved through collaborative R&D. With local services and the continuous involvement of global talent, we drive the development of the global industry. LINKO is an international connector solution company that insists on independent R&D. Over 90% of our products are self-developed, covering a wide range of industrial applications to ensure that our products maintain high reliability and long-term stability worldwide. In addition, LINKO has already served more than 50,000 customers around the world, spanning over 170 countries and regions, and has accumulated extensive cross-industry experience. Our extensive experience in cross-regional applications has also laid a solid foundation for us to continuously serve global customers and build long-term trust. For LINKO, R&D and innovation are not just about technological advancement. More importantly, it is about combining technical capabilities with practical application experience and reliable delivery, transforming them into value that brings long-term benefits to customers worldwide. Everyone can participate and drive industry upgrades. Through AI and digitalization, enterprises can achieve more precise R&D. Manufacturing becomes more flexible, delivery is more stable, and service response is also faster. At present, LINKO has already built an industry-leading digital factory that can quickly respond to projects with different requirements. Especially when it comes to customized products, we are able to greatly shorten the cycle from R&D to implementation. This helps customers complete project applications even faster. In the future, we hope to build LINKO into a leading, industrial waterproof connection solutions platform, enabling R&D, technical, and digital talent from around the world to participate and drive industry upgrades together. LINKO has always adhered to the spirit of craftsmanship and the pursuit of ultimate quality. We provide customers with industry-leading quality assurance, efficient delivery, and a reliable connection experience. I believe that only by insisting on doing every detail to the best can we truly win over our customers. In the long run, our goal is to build LINKO into a high-quality, highly reliable, and continuously innovative company. A company that not only manufactures for customers, but also possesses a global vision as an international brand. No matter how the industry changes, we will stick to our original aspirations, keep innovating, and turn the company into a brand that can last for 100 years. For a company to develop healthily, talent comes first. Linko is committed to building a global connectivity platform, so our talent development is also highly globalized. We hope to bring global technical experience into every customer's customized solution. And in the future, we also plan to establish localized R&D and sales centers around the world. LinkedIn is an important gateway to outstanding global talent. Linko hopes to work together with LinkedIn, not just to recruit talent, but to jointly build an industrial connectivity brand that is recognized globally and attracts top-tier talent from around the world. For a global company like Linko, we need global talent. We look forward to working side by side with outstanding international professionals to elevate our technology, products, and brand to a world-class level. We thank LinkedIn for providing this opportunity for global exchange. Linko looks forward to welcoming connector industry elites from all regions of the world to join us, to jointly create future-oriented intelligent connectivity technologies and a deeply integrated, globalized service ecosystem with 4 key advantages. Let's create value together and grow together as we serve industries around the world.